Did you know that love can teach you its deepest secrets through something as simple as an echo? 10-year-old Leo discovered this when his parents split, and he found himself living in two different homes. In Mom's cozy apartment, when he shouted, "I love you," his voice bounced back quickly, short and sharp, but in Dad's spacious house, the same words stretched out long and hollow, taking forever to return. One day, while testing these echoes, Leo felt confused and worried. Did the different sounds mean love was stronger in one home than the other? That night, his imagination carried him to a magical realm where a wise talking owl waited in an ancient oak tree. The owl's golden eyes sparkled as she shared a profound truth. Echoes aren't about the space around you, they're about how love finds its way back to your heart. Whether love returns quickly or takes its time, it always comes back to the one who sent it out. Leo smiled, finally understanding that love adapts to any space it's given.